Hey guys, I have OMG from ASC Supplies. Look at that. Paper Heaven Stamperia Shabby Rose. Let's have a look. This is not my design team package. This is just, I couldn't resist package. So, I'm committed to 3 projects and a DT video a month, but I just keep creating with all the loveliness that is at ASC Supplies. Look at that. Even the back of that paper is pretty. So then we've got this page. Look at the back of that page. Beautiful. I mean, just, oh my gosh. Just beautiful. Why did I only order 1 of these? This would make a beautiful configuration box, I'll be honest with you. But that's not what I'm doing with it. This one is lovely. So that one is Shabby Rose. And this one's called Garden. And when I ordered this one, I did think maybe it would be a configuration box. So let's, let's have a look. And as I go through it, I'll be able to decide if that's what I'm going to do. So this is Garden. Look how pretty. That's just gorgeous. Gorgeous. I haven't seen anyone use this yet. I'm thinking it's sort of lending itself more to a journal. Oh, wow. Wow. Oh, that's so cute. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. So I did only order 1 of these and 1 of the Shabby Rose. Oh, look at that. But is that for this year? I don't know. That's kind of cool. Because even if this side didn't work, the other side definitely would. Look at that window. Oh, I'm happy. Okay. Let's not go to Christmas yet. Let's go to Blue Land. Oh my. I'm going to have to finish the project that I'm working on because I am excited to get to Christmas. And I just promised all my people that watch my vlog today that my next project will be Christmas. Oh, I should have taken these out first. All right, look at that. Blue Land. And you can always use the stuff that's on the front because it's the same texture as the paper. Oh my goodness. Oh, so lovely. And this is like winter themed. So pretty. Ugh. The world is a wheel, and it will all come out. Oh, come round right. I'm sorry, I really can read. Look at this. Oh my gosh, I'm in heaven. I am so in heaven. The only thing I do wish is sometimes I wish, because see, every collection has these, and I'd like some different shapes. Give us some different stuff. Oh my gosh, look at the little bench. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is such a beautiful collection. I'm not a blue person either, but I love it because it's winter. Look at those. And then what I like to do on the back, see all these little, see all these little circles? I like to use these and glue the little glass pieces to them and cut them out and use them as, oh yeah, I can use the little bench. I like these little tiny images, so I got 2 of that. And then I got 2 of Winter Botanic. And I know for a fact what I'm doing with this. This is going to be a mini album. A substantial mini album. Ugh, why am I not? There we go. How did they even get those in there? That's my question. All right, so look at these beautiful images. Very farmhouse looking to me. Beautiful. I mean, I can't even tell you how much I just want to put away what I'm working on and play with this stuff. Oh my goodness. So stunning. So just to let you know, they have excellent prices at ASC Supplies. And what's today? Today's Friday. I think I ordered this Tuesday, and I live all across the country from them. So these would make gorgeous cards as well. So I got 2 packs of that. And last but not least, 3. I got 3 of the Stamperia Pink Christmas. I don't even know if you guys can control yourselves to see this. All right, come on out of there. All right. Look at this. This too will be at least 1 mini album. Look how beautiful. Who doesn't want a pink Christmas, right? Aww, look at that. Love that one. This one has a Christmas bunny, little Christmas girls. I love the deer. It reminds me of Shiva, my dog. I wish, the only thing I do wish is that this paper company had different sizes, like an A, is it an A4? A2? What is it? Look at that. And a 6x6. I'd like a 6x6 also. Oh my gosh, so gorgeous. All right. So I got 3 of those. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, so happy. ASC Supplies on Etsy. I will link her and social media in the description box down below. And let me tell you guys, I have seen some people selling these paper pads for over $16. And they are considerably cheaper at ASC Supplies. I'm actually going to go let me see, purchases. I'm going to tell you how much these are. I'm sorry guys, but at least you're looking at the beautiful paper. Stamperia. All right, $10.75. I'm not kidding you. I've seen these selling for $16.99 in some other groups, some other stores. $10.75 at ASC Supplies on Etsy. You must check them out and tell them Rena sent you. Thanks for watching. Bye.